Hi again. Okay, clean sounds this time. So you'll notice a bit of a difference. I've turned. I'm on channel 2. I've turned the boost off and I've turned the gain right down to. You can see it's under 9 o'clock actually. So turn the gain right down, and I've added a bit of presence. Everything else is the same. This is kind of gives you some idea. I'm on a Reverend guitar again with P90, so they're fairly pokey pickups. So a bit of reverb on there. I'll turn the reverb off. Hang on. Here we go. So I haven't. Wait a minute. Let's try that. Hang on. Here we go. Right. Okay. So you can hear there's quite a bit of, there's a little bit of hair on that sound. The trick I'm using actually to get more headroom out of it is I've got a graphic EQ or a boost, just a flat boost that's in the effects loop. So just to show you what effect it has. So that's on. Same sound, but obviously much quieter. So it's because it's after the preamp, so it's not distorting, and it's making full use of the loud power stage, and it seems to work quite well. So this particular patch is on my Fractal Audio FX8, so I can do things like put a bit of compressor on. That cleans it up even more because the pickups on this are quite loud. Silly things like so yeah, you can do the clean edge stuff. So it's kind of got a voxiness about it, and that will go. From what I can gather, I can have that extremely loud now. So yeah, I can get a good clean sound out of it with the help of a boost in the effects loop. Okay, cool.